Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to configure DHCP in a local area network using our server, DHCP server. So I'm going to take a switch, 2960 switch, and I'm going to take a few PCs, 1, 2, 3, that will do, and I'm going to take one server. Okay, now I'm going to make the connection, copper straight through cable, first Ethernet 0/0, connect all these pieces to the switch. Okay, connect the server to the switch, and let's go to the server, desktop, IP configuration, and let's give it the IP 192.168.30.100, and this is the subnet mask. We don't need to provide any default gateway because we are not configuring a router. And after that, let's go to the server again, to services, and choose DHCP. Now this is the already a server pool, DHCP pool has been made. Now here I'm going to provide the start address, end address, and all those things. So as you can see, these are already been provided over here, and I don't need the default gateway to be provided. Maximum number of users, okay, so save it and make the service on. Now let's go to each PC, desktop, IP configuration, DHCP, and DHCP request successful. See, 30.1, PC1, desktop, IP configuration, choose DHCP, 30.2, this one, 30.3. So now check ping 192.168.30.1. the reply is coming, and we have our connectivity. So that's it for this video. Thank you.